Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming nothing OS 3A is current and the app supports multi-window. This avoids surprises. Once confirmed, open the first app you want on screen, then enter Recents. Tap the app's top icon or long press its card and choose Open in split screen. That immediately pins the app to one half of the display. Make sure Gestures or Navigation mode allow split behavior. If not, switch to the recommended navigation temporarily so the split command appears. Next, pick the second app. You can tap it in Recents, select from the launcher, or drag it into the free half. Once both apps display, use the divider handle to resize. Drag toward the app you want larger. If you need to swap positions, use the swap icon or drag the app title bar across. For keyboard input or clipboard use, make sure the input method appears on the focused pane. This stage balances layout and focus so both apps behave predictably. To finish, exit split screen by dragging the divider fully to one edge or tapping close on the divider controls. That returns you to a single app. If nothing OS 3A supports app pairs or saved layouts, store the configuration for quick recall. If an app won't enter split or freezes, force stop that app in Settings Apps, then relaunch. If the problem persists, reboot the phone. That simple restart clears transient state and usually resolves split screen failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.